Here's how to use ThingLink. This is right after you log in. So I gave you your username, email, and your password, which was automatically generated. So as soon as you log in, this is the screen you're going to see. And you'll see a stream that includes things that I've done because you're a student in my class, the way I set your account up. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Create, and then you're going to upload from your hard drive your collage that you made for your Islam project. So you'll click Choose Images, and then you'll find that collage. So wherever you saved it, I'm just going to do a sample picture that I happen to have saved on my desktop. It's just a picture from one of the all-school convos. So this way you can see some of the basics. So it was successfully uploaded, and now it's going to process to the editor page. Go ahead and change the title to whatever you want your title to be. So if you were assigned to 13.2 through 13.6, you can change the title. All right, now as we're going, what you're going to do is you're going to start clicking. And once you click somewhere, it's going to add a tag. And on these tags, you can change what the actual icon looks like. So you can use letters and numbers. You can use different colors. I'll just leave it as a red. You can put a link. So let's say you found a really good website to explain something. You could put a link to that website, or you can add text. And this is generally what you're going to be doing. You're going to be adding text to the tags to explain what's going on in the image. So if you found an image of Sharia, you would explain a little bit what Sharia is and what the image is showing and how it represents what's going on in the picture. This is where you're going to use those summaries that you wrote when you were first reading your sections. So refer back to those to give information. The amount of icons that you have on your screen should be at least as many sections as you were assigned. But I think you're probably going to want to end up having more sections, more more icons than how many sections you were assigned, because each section you might want to have 2 icons. That's up to you. So here I could say home section for all school convos. Once you save the tag, you can go hover over it. You can move the tag, but once that's done and you hover over it, it'll say exactly what you typed in. Then save the tag, add another tag, so I can click somewhere else, and I can say, oh look, here's a couple kids from class. I can say global studies students. Change the icon. That's up to you, but I would figure out some way where different icons represented certain things. So if it's a summary, you might use blue. If it's an explanation of the image, you might use green. Don't just use a bunch of rainbow colors. Make it mean something. So when you're done, go ahead and click Save. And now it's finished. You can move on to the next step where you actually share the image, and that's in a separate video, and that's in a video called Posting ThingLink to Schoology.